In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet network connection problems, often known as internet errors. If you're experiencing connectivity issues during your Google Meet sessions, don't worry, you're not alone. These interruptions can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an important meeting or class. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve the problem and get back online smoothly. First and foremost, you should check your internet connection. This is the most common culprit when it comes to Google Meet issues. Make sure you have a stable internet connection with sufficient bandwidth. A quick test would be to try accessing other websites to see if they're loading correctly. If those sites are also experiencing slow or no loading, the issue might be with your internet connection itself. In such cases, a simple yet often effective solution is to restart your router. Give it a few minutes to reboot, and this might solve the connectivity hiccup. Next, try restarting your device. Whether you're using Google Meet through an app on your phone or a browser on your computer, closing and reopening the app or browser can often resolve persistent issues. Sometimes applications can experience glitches that a simple restart can fix. Additionally, it might be beneficial to restart your entire device. A total reboot can clear temporary software hiccups that could be affecting your connection. Moving on, make sure to verify permissions. Google Meet requires access to your camera and microphone to function correctly. Head over to your device settings and confirm that these permissions are granted to Google Meet. Without these, you might experience issues that appear to be network related but are actually due to denied permissions. Another step you can take is to clear your cache and data. Over time, your browser or app may accumulate data that can slow down your connection or cause other glitches. Go into your browser settings and find the option to clear cache and data for Google Meet. Performing this task can help in resolving issues related to outdated or corrupted data. It is also important to ensure that you are using the latest version of the Google Meet app. App updates often include important performance improvements and bug fixes that can enhance your connectivity and overall experience. Check for any available updates and install them promptly. Finally, if these steps don't resolve your problem, it's time to call in the experts. Reach out to your IT support team or contact your network provider for further assistance. They can provide deeper insights and might identify if there's an underlying issue with your network or device configuration. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome network connectivity problems on Google Meet. Remember, technology isn't perfect, and sometimes patience and troubleshooting can go a long way in resolving these issues. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your Google Meet experience.